December 27th, right into lunchtime. Let's do a quick recap of trade alerts. Last night at around 6:30, the post was Nasdaq buy 11,186 or sell 11,054. The long side came close overnight, but never triggered, never quite gave you the 186. And then came, New York Open, and they first dipped a little bit. So here, again, if you were just looking for 5 points, no big deal. They got down to as low as 40. So from 54 to 40, 14 points, and 5 points would not be a big deal. Then they again came over the trigger, and then once the market opened, they just broke through. Never gave you a second chance. Tried over here. Never gave you a second chance. Again, declining now. And I know a beautiful move. I mean, the trigger worked beautifully. No one knows, when you're over here, if it's going to go 5 points or 170 points. That's why I always say, especially myself, I never trade in the week between Christmas and New Year's. I did receive two emails, so a couple of you at least traded. I would have just taken the 5 points. To give you the 5 points, take the 5 points. Let's take a look at oil. So oil was a buy at 81.05 or a sell at 79.75. And oil gave you plenty of opportunities, but no real direction. So around London Open, broke 79.75, gave you around 50 ticks about on the way down here. Later on, now this, if was taken, then definitely is a losing trade. Later on, they gave you again from 79.75 to around 44, so about 30 ticks on this one. And just not long ago, they broke the 81.05, so the buy side, and gave you just about 12 ticks. Again, if you were looking for 10 ticks, you probably got it. If you were looking for more, oil was just not the market today to go strong in either direction. And again, it's just, it's this week. It's going to be slower. As I said last week, I don't mind posting the numbers, but do be careful. These are not regular trading conditions. But still, I mean, there were opportunities to grab quick profits. If you were looking for quick and small, you got it. All right. So again, I'm going to continue to post the numbers as long as the day after is a full trading day. And again, be careful. Understand volume is lower across the board, so things might get a bit trickier. That's all, guys. Thank you.